Pit Eric, the destroyer. Op, uy! Grabe! Highlight!
That's science.
Grabe si Eric!
What's up mga takwasa? So, ngayon papasok na tayo and then after work ay diretso tayo sa court. Papapawis tayo sa ground. Well, part na to ng weekly routine natin. So, ibablog natin yung mga kaganapan doon. So, see you later bro. Now we're going basketball. Pawis tayo after work. Let's go.
Lakas! Nice one! Ang ina mo. Coast to coast!
Talagang ano ah.
Ano naman mo sa si Boss Eric? Kontin.
Dalawa. Grabe na yan. Grabe. Larry Bird. Counted. Nice, John. Grabe.
Even when you feel low, you can still go.
Pa. Uy.
Wala eh.
Galing. Gra. Counted. Yung birthday. Counted.
28, number 28, binalik kay 6 from downtown! Yes, sir!
Ayos. Andex, pass to number 6. Kotor, Daddy Kotor, pass to Eric, good for 1. Pass to Alvin, Rainbow Territory, brung.
Counted!
Camera! Sabay, hindi ko na kam, nag-chase good ka. 12.